Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Yesterday's meal was delicious. I don't know what I do want some neck bones. I watched this lady's video called Mama Jones. I think her name changed to something else though. And she went grocery shopping and got a bunch of meat. I love how she shopped for her meat and stuff, cause I would be purchasing the same thing. And she was getting pork chops and fish and so forth. And she came across the neck bones. And those neck bones in her area, they were a little cheaper than what they are over in this area. Seemed like all the scratch food, the toss away considered food, now it's looking like they pricing it as a luxury these days. Chicken wings, they didn't used to care about no chicken wings. Back in the day, used to go in the store, Ralph's, the store they call Ralph's, they used to have them chicken wings $5 for a big old pack of them. Maybe even cheaper than that. Chicken wings was not expensive. All the little scratch meat, now the smoked meats, all expensive. We want $10 for a few smoked turkey tail. All the smoked meat expensive now. That's a doggone shame. How they price the meat that the po folks use. Folks, I wouldn't say, well, people with small means of money would use to eat. Now it's expensive. Remember a pork roast? You could get a pork roast, $2 big ones too. The last time, let me see, I guess it was a couple of 2-3 years ago or something like that. Went into the store, shocked the crap out of me. It was a pork roast. They had $12, $13 on it. A roast that size back in the day was like $4, $5. Yeah, them big pork roasts. Y'all remember if y'all used to buy them? They used to be cheap. Now, shoot, one pork roast, $13 something. They out of their freaking mind. I haven't bought one in a while. The kind that you do the pulled pork and stuff, those roasts used to be cheap butt roast. Now all this stuff is very expensive from the pig and stuff. And I was talking about the neck bones when the Jones woman was getting her neck bone, like they was cheaper on her side of town, which hey, they very expensive on my side of town. Can't even enjoy a neck bone. Used to be dirt cheap. I remember, one good last time, them things, my husband, they was 57 cents a pound. We got a case of them things. These little stores, not the name brand, that was our favorite store to go to for some neck bones. 57 cents a pound. Used to be so good and cheap. Just like them stores Chris shop. Cost store, whatever it cost something. 59 cents a pound for some chicken. Dollar some change for a 10-pound bag of potatoes. Oh my God, I'll clean up. Eat good from that store. I ain't mad at her. Hope she show another deal with that store, or at least share the weekly ads, and let us see what they got going on. Is it worth driving over there? Oh my God. That's how Superior used to be over here. Shoot, they was giving away 2 bags of potatoes for $1, 10 pounds. Going to Top Value, I think they went out of business. A store called Top Value, they used to have all the vegetables outside. 10 pounds of onion, $1. Y'all, do y'all even know about these kind of deals? Say so in the comment. Memories of how it used to be. Now, shoot, all this expensive stuff. Now, 1 onion, $1 more. Ain't no more 10 pounds for $1. Oh boy. Anyway, I guess that's enough yap for this conversation. I'm gonna carry it on in a different video. I'm putting in work today. Hope y'all enjoy it, and thank you for returning to visit, support, be nosy, and admire whatever whatever it is your intentions were when you came over here to find out what the heck is Miss Janita got going on today. Today's Saturday, so I better go on over there and scrap up. Yeah, scrap is on my mind. Scrap, put together a video for my garden channel. That's what I'm about to do in a few seconds. Okay, y'all, let me carry on putting in this work. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for joining me. I did mention all the stuff I got. Well, I got it from, this came from Sam's Club. Y'all know that stuff. Okay, you recognize the brand. It came from Sam's Club. All right, y'all. Later. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.